Now.
Microwave experiment number 2. Since the first one didn't work and we didn't get any plasma, what I've done is insert graphite mechanical pencil tips in here so that hopefully we'll be able. Whoa!
What did you do?
I'm on the wax and like moving the things. It's like like Sputnik though. You gotta somehow get these.
Get them in there quick.
Stay in. Really, ow. So, hopefully, I'll get you different calls and different things to stay over. Okay. I'm going to try this. See what it does. Problem is, leaves it to. Okay. We're going to try to
Go for it.
So,
oh shit. Did you stop it or the microwave stopped?
I stopped it.
Alright.
I'm going to try to get the leaves back up. The freaking leaves are melting into it. Look at it.
Like a bunch of them together and just stick it.
They fuse.
What?
Ow. Ow.
They fused together?
They've like fused into the candle. They've like melted into the candle. Like,
Alright, well, hey, keep it going, man.
keep it going?
Yeah, what the hell? I mean, we're already starting to microwave it anyway.
Alright, hold on. Oh shit. This thing's super hot. Like the wax is like out of control. Okay, well. We're gonna start melting holes in the paper towel. If we're not careful.
Like it matters.
Plasma.
We catch fire there?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on fire.
Okay.
Alright.
That's experiment 2.